Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the free AI tools that everyone should try. So these tools can help with writing, design, productivity and learning, making everyday tasks much faster and easier. So let's go through a few of the most useful ones. So first in the list is ChatGPT. This is one of the most popular AI assistants today. You can use it to write the emails, generate the ideas, summarize the information, or learn the new topics quickly. It's like having a digital assistant that can help with many different tasks. The next tool in the list is Canva AI. Canva's AI tools help you create the designs, the presentations, social media posts, and graphics, even if you don't have any design experience. The AI can generate the layouts, images, and design ideas in just a few seconds. Another great tool is Grammarly. Grammarly also uses AI to improve writing by checking the grammar, spelling, and clarity. So it's very helpful for the students, professionals, or anyone who writes the emails, reports, or articles. Then there is Notion AI. Now, Notion AI is going to help you organize your notes, summarize the documents, and manage the tasks. Many people use it to keep their work and personal projects organized. Another interesting tool is Otter AI. So Otter can record the conversations and automatically turn the speech into the written notes. So this is useful for the meetings, lectures, or interviews where you want accurate notes without typing everything yourself. So these tools show how AI can help with writing, design, productivity, and communication, often without any cost to get started. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.